Hello guys and welcome to Ocean Adventure at Subic Bay, April 18, 2025 with my friends. And papasok na tayo kasi meron tayong ticket. Actually break namin kasi nakapag-watch na kami ng first show. So kakakain lang and then after kumain, try ko lang mag-vlog na yan. Ito yung first part ng ating yan. So you can see, ayan lang silang mga items, souvenir items from different characters ng mga, ayan o, ganda guys. Ayan. We're all about to start the second set of the show. Kasi kayo na nag-watch na kami ng Dolphin Show. And then, this time, we're waiting for the second set of show sa Sea Lion. And this is the place. The whole place of the Ocean Adventure. Dito sa Subic. Ayan, kita niyo guys yung tanawin. Ang ganda. Very peaceful. I love the place. This is my second time around here. I think way back, 2014 or 15. Not sure. With my other friends from Marikina. And then, right now, nakabalik na ako ulit for the second time around. Ang tagal na, 2025 na. It's been more than, I think, 7 years, more than 7 years. So, ito yung kanilang food area. Ayan. Kanilang food area. Hindi ko na malilibot lahat kasi masyadong malaki. But, pakita ko lang yung mga, ayan, diba? Meron silang Ilanin Bay booth ng mga, ayan.
Your summer destination is here, where we offer beach and
Pasok tayo sa, syempre, sa kantin. Ito yung kantin nila, guys. Say hi! Si pare ko, ayan, nakasama ako right now with my two friends. Naglilibot sila. Ganda, diba? This is my second time around here, guys. Ayan. So you can see, ganda ng place. And mamaya akit kami ulit doon sa may stairs na yon to watch the second part of the show ng Sea Lion. Kasi tapos pa kami sa Dolphin Show kanina, around 11 a.m. And this time, we're waiting for the second show ng Sea Lion naman. And that's all for my video for today's video, April 18. Good Friday. Happy Good Friday, everyone. Keep safe, everyone. Enjoy your Lenten season. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.